We continue our look at vascular health in today's medical moment.
Fox 17's Tim Doty spoke with Spectrum Health Medical Group about issues that can be deadly for women but are often ignored.
An achy leg, an arm that hurts, or a pain in the neck could all be sign of trouble with your heart.
The same disease process that occurs in the peripheral vasculature, the arteries of the legs, the neck, the intestines, can occur in the arteries around the heart. So they're often linked diseases. Early symptoms that people with peripheral vascular disease notice are difficulty when walking. Oftentimes it's pain when they walk. They'll complain of a Charlie horse. Other symptoms include things that are concerning for a stroke, weakness on one side of the body, and that can be a sign of disease in the blood vessels in the neck. Pain in your abdomen when you eat sometimes can be associated with poor blood flow to the intestines as well.
Vascular disease is often thought of as a man's problem, but Dr. Eanas Yassa of Spectrum Health Medical Group says it's just not the case.
And women are just as likely to develop vascular disease as men are. The American Heart Association estimates about 1 in 5 women and men can develop vascular disease.
The difference is, though, that men are more likely to be diagnosed and to do something about it.
The unfortunate thing is that most women go undiagnosed. They often don't present until they're a little bit later. They tend to sometimes brush aside their symptoms. Or heart disease and vascular disease is not something that's always thought about as the cause of symptoms in women. So sometimes that can be missed.
Heart disease is the #1 killer of women in the United States, and though it can strike at any age, women over 50 need to especially keep an eye on their health. So do those with a family history of heart trouble, and of course, smokers.
Smoking increases your likelihood of developing that disease about 4 times. Anyone who's a smoker is going to develop symptoms of a vascular disease about 10 years before a non-smoker would. When
in doubt, it's always best to call your doctor. Tim Doty, Fox 17 News.
Let's take a look.